was a very, very different experience. Very nice. Had to have the opportunity to go exactly where the algae is, to see the diver go and reach the algae. For us was fantastic.
This is Irish moss. Para escabeches, para espesar salsas, for spicy sauce or for thickening sauces.
It was amazing. In such a short space of time, we saw over 10 species of different seaweed, and some of them you could actually taste right as they come out of the water. The one flavor that stood out to me most is the one that tastes just like a truffle.
Something tasted like a truffle, something tasted like a pickle, something tasted like a lavender and smelled like a lavender. So I am speechless. This was as I said, it's a once in a lifetime experience for me.
And the thing is that in our mind, that we're not used to use these products, started like working. You know, how do I can use this? How can I can use that? It was very good.
Formas y colores distintos para una cocina y sabores. Look at how many different colors, shapes.
I discovered today the Garden of the Sea. It's amazing. This brings a lot of ideas for my kitchen and all my group, and I hope so start to use this as soon as possible.